Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear the measure of standard deviation in discrete series by direct method. Let us write down the statement. In the statement we are given the values of x, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and last one is 50. These are the values of x. Then because here discrete series given and in discrete series frequency is given. Frequency is 2, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 9, 5 and 2. So first of all, in direct method we have to calculate the value of arithmetic mean. Without calculation of arithmetic mean, we can't calculate standard deviation in direct method. So first of all, for the calculation of arithmetic mean, fx is required. Fx. So we will multiply all the values of x with f. 5 multiplied by 2, it will be 10. 10 multiplied by 5, 15. Then 50. Then 105. 200. 25 multiplied by 15, it will be 375. Then 600. 875. 360. 225 and last one is 100. Let us do calculate the value of sigma fx, that is 2900, and the calculation of sigma f is equal to 100. So let us do calculate the value of arithmetic mean is equal to summation x divided by n is equal to the value of sigma fx, not x, fx, because frequency is given. Sigma fx is equal to 2900 and the value of n is equal to 100. So the value of arithmetic mean is 29. Now let us do calculate the value of small x. For the calculation of small x arithmetic mean, which is 29, that will be subtracted from the values of x. It means 29 will be subtracted from all the values of x. Minus 29, minus 29, minus 29. So we will subtract the value of arithmetic mean from all the values of x. So it will be 5 minus 29, minus 24, minus 19, minus 14, minus 9, minus 4, 1, 6, 11, 16 or 21. So we have calculated the value of small x. Then x square. For the calculation of x square, minus 24 square, minus 19 square, minus 14 square, minus 9 square. So all the squares will be there. So the calculations will be 24 multiplied by 24, it will be 576, 361, 14 multiplied by minus 14 multiplied by minus 14, it will be 196, minus 9 multiplied by minus 9, 81, 16, 136, 121, then 256 and last one is 441. And for the next calculation, in a direct method we have calculated just x square because here frequency is also given. So frequency now will be multiplied by small x square, fx square. So the calculations will be, we have to multiply frequency with x square. So the values will be 1152, 1805, 1372, 810, 240, 20, 900, 1089, 1280 or 882. So the summation sigma fx square will be 9550. And now let us put the value in standard deviation. Formula is sigma fx square divided by n whole under root is equal to sigma fx square. The value is 9550 divided by, and the value of n is 100, is equal to 95.5 under root is equal to 9.77. So the value of standard deviation in a discrete series by direct method is 9.77. So that's all regarding this video. So do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to standard deviation. Thank you.